gymnastics coach. Last class we did some drills of basic gymnastics. In this class we will learn little bit advanced level of drills. So before that we have to do some warm-up exercise. So first we will start with warm-up, then we will do the advanced gymnastics drills. Neck rotation 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After your neck rotation exercise, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After your neck exercise and head exercise, you have to do hand exercise. Now hand stretching up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After hands up and down, hand rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward side. Now backward side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After hand rotation, you have to do wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After wrist rotation, you have to put your hands on hip. Now hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After both the side hip rotation, you have to do forward backward bend 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now side exercise, side bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you have to do high jump. For high jump, keep your hand straight upward. Stretch your hand upside when you are jumping. I will show you 2 times how to do high jump. 1, 2. Like this you have to do. High jump, keep your body stretched up and land. That's all for warm up. Okay student, now we will start with some of gymnastic drills. So basic rolling we did already in the last class. We will start today little bit advanced type of drills. So first drill is cartwheel. You know cartwheel, from sideways you have to move your body. So that cartwheel you have to do 4 times. I will show you here 2 times. That cartwheel you have to practice 4 to 6 times every time when you are doing. So we'll start with cartwheels. So for cartwheel, we already learned baby cartwheel. Same thing you have to apply here. You have to keep your any leg forward, left leg or right leg. So I have my right leg. So I will start with another side. You have to choose your leg first. So with right leg forward, you have to keep your hands up. Like baby cartwheel only, you have to go down, but your kick will be little bit higher so that you can do full round of cartwheel. So for full cartwheel, you have to put your one leg forward, keep your hands up, then you have to go down and complete your cartwheel. Have a look. This is the full cartwheel. Now from another side, if you have 2 mats, you can do both the side. If you have only 1 mat, you can turn from this side only. So I have my right leg. So again right leg forward, hands up, and then you have to go down and complete your cartwheel. Like this you have to do 4 to 6 cartwheel in every practice session. After this we are moving towards the arch exercise, that is back arch position. For back arch position, you have to lie down on mat. Any of mat you have. If you have 2 mats, then you can choose 1 mat. Don't do it in the middle of 2 mat. Choose 1 mat and lie down on the mat straight. Fold your legs from your knees Fold your hands. Palm should be under the shoulder. Adjust yourself for your comfortability. And then you have to lift your body up. Count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then down. Do your body relax. Wait for some time. And again fold your leg. Fold your hand. Adjust yourself for lifting the body. And then lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again relax yourself and come up. This back arch you have to do 5 times up and down. After each back arch you have to relax yourself, and then again you have to start with beginning. Now student, we will start with handstand march. For handstand march you already know how to do wall handstand with the wall support. So you have to start with beginning. Stand straight, hands up, your back will be facing toward the wall, and you have to go down and put your one leg up, another leg up, fit together, and then one by one you have to walk on your mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This 10 time marching you have to do. Earlier we did 10 counts hold. Now we will do 10 count walk like marching. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This 10 marching you have to do, and after that you have to come down slowly. So now one more time we will do the handstand marching. Stand straight, your back will be facing toward the wall, and then you have to hands up, put your hands down, lift your one leg up, another leg up, fit together, and then start marching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and slowly come down. Now next exercise we will do headstand. Be careful with your neck. Keep your neck tight when you are doing headstand. So for headstand, mat position will be same. Whichever mat you have, keep the position like this, and same like handstand, you have to stand straight. Your back will face the wall, and then you have to go down. Put your hand down like handstand. After that you have to touch your head in between your hands. In between your hands you have to touch your head, and same like handstand you have to lift your leg one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 count, and then come down slowly. Slowly you have to move towards the wall, little bit close to the wall. When you are starting practice of headstand, you do little bit away from the wall. When you are practice more, that time you have to come close, little bit more close to the wall, so that your headstand will be straight. So again put your head down in between your hand and lift your leg up straight. Now this side you can see my headstand is little bit straight. Now again count for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And after 10, slowly come down. Okay, after headstand, we will moving towards a jump exercise. So this jump exercise we have to do with turn. We already know jump and turn, and we already know the tuck jump. In tuck jump, we have to keep your knees close to the chest when you are jumping. Like this, we have to lift your knees up. So first we will do jump and half turn, means 180 turn. With any side you can do. You have to jump first, then lift your knees little bit up, and then you have to turn from any side. So this jump you have to do 10 times. I will show you 2 times how to do it from both the side. So you have to do 10 times, 5 times from right side and 5 times from left side. I will show you 1 time from right side and 1 time from left side. So stand straight and you have to do tuck jump and turn. This is right side. Again one more time I will show you with right side. Please look it carefully. You have to move your knees up and turn. Now from another side, from left side, first you have to jump, then you have to lift your knees up, and then you have to turn. Down and one more time. Jump, knees up and turn. 3 things at a time. After all the exercise, we will do little bit stretching and cool down exercise. For stretching exercise, we have to do leg split hold. For leg split, you have to open your leg little bit. Put your hand down and stay there for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 count, sit down. We'll do leg pulling. Hold your leg and we have to do butterfly 25 times. Shake your both the thighs and count your 25, your own count. After 25 counts, you have to leg open and shake it again, as well as shake your hands up and side. And then if you want, you can have Vajrasana hold, sitting position for some time for cool down process. After Vajrasana hold, your body will be cooled down completely. Thank you students for watching. I hope you will practice at home carefully and sincerely. All the best.